Continuing on with agricultural diversification, what is the important? Let's take the question as what is the importance of agricultural diversification in rural development? In the previous video, we just talked about what is agricultural diversification. So, let me just repeat once again. It is all about going into commercial production of crops, multiple cropping in the crops section, and in non-farm activities we can talk about dairy farming, horticulture, then fisheries, we can talk about cottage industries and information technology. So what is the importance? That's a question that we're going to quickly understand. So it can play a very important role in rural development, where agriculture is the main occupation of people. So with this, what happens is, the importance is that, for example, it will be beneficial to the small and marginal farmers. So diversification of agriculture will benefit all farmers in general, but especially the small and marginal farmers, because here in rural India, poverty is more than urban poverty. So small and marginal farmers are mainly included in rural poor. As a result of diversification of agriculture, what will happen is that these farmers, these small and marginal farmers, will find alternative sources of employment. Now, talking about employment, so what are these employment? So for example, you have the agro-processing industries like food processing industries, leather industries, etc. And also we have employment can be generated in the subsistence sector, like for example, you have these traditional home-based industries like pottery, crafts, handlooms. So these are included in subsistence sectors. So here in this, employment will be generated. And besides that, we have increase in income. Once there is diversification, the rural income will increase. Resources are shifted from production of low value products to production of high value products. Then there will be stability in farm income. So how? Because risk of fluctuation in production and of the crops and the market prices are will be minimized rather. So this will bring about a stability in farm income, especially when you go in for commercial production as well. Then another important thing is that diversification has increased the demand for products other than food grains, and diversification has risen to the growing demand for products other than food grains like fruits, vegetables, flowers, herbs. Like when you're talking about Ayurveda today, growing herbs is another very lucrative area. And then you have milk and milk products, fish, eggs, etc. And all this is met by diversification of agriculture, and that is what why we can say what do you mean by what is importance of agricultural diversification? What does it mean to diversify in rural India?